Welcome to the demo of my project for Harvard CS50. I am Nikolai from Vilnius, Lithuania. I created a game of Minesweeper using Python and its built-in library Tkinter. This is what it looks like when you run it. It contains how many mines are left and it decreases when you place a flag. Contains a timer that tracks time elapsed from the start of the game, and a reset button that lets you quickly restart. As a standalone app, it comes in two files, an executable and an icon file. When you launch it and change its settings, you can exit the game and it will create an ini file that stores your settings. When you relaunch the game, it remembers your settings. In addition to the regular presets present in every Minesweeper game, there is a custom settings window. The input is validated, so you can't punch in unintended numbers. The first move is always safe, so whenever you click, you will always get a free space. Or maybe I'm just very lucky. If you reveal a cell with 0 mines beside it, it also reveals all its neighbors recursively. And if you happen to flag some mines and then reveal them, it counts for that. And finally, the game is fully resizable. Cells adjust to whatever you drag the window to. The text will adjust once you hit a reset button. Thank you for watching and have a great day.